Hi, I'm Rahul Joshi. In this video, I'll show you how to build an AI-powered customs document verification workflow in n8n. This workflow is built for logistics teams, freight forwarders, import-export teams, and compliance teams that still manually compare shipping documents before filing. By the end of this workflow, you'll have an automation that receives customs document data, extracts structured fields with GPT-4o mini, cross-checks the commercial invoice, packing list, and bill of lading, identifies mismatches, and sends a ready-to-file or correction required report by Gmail. Step 1. Webhook Receive Documents. The workflow starts with the webhook node. This node receives the customs document payload through a POST request. The incoming data includes the submitter email, shipment reference, invoice text, packing list text, and bill of lading text. So instead of manually uploading and reviewing documents one by one, the workflow receives all shipment document data in one structured intake. Step 2. Map webhook fields. Next, the Map Webhook Fields node organizes the incoming webhook data. It maps fields like submitter email, shipment reference, commercial invoice text, packing list text, and bill of lading text into clean workflow variables. This prepares the customs documents so the AI extraction step can process them properly. Step 3. OpenAI Extract Bill of Lading Fields. This OpenAI node uses GPT-4o mini to extract structured information from the shipping document text. It reads the customs document content and converts it into clean JSON fields such as bill of lading number, shipper name, consignee name, notify party, vessel name, voyage number, port of loading, port of discharge, package count, gross weight, goods description, freight terms, and shipment marks. This is where the raw document text becomes structured compliance data. Step 4. Cross-check documents. 1. This code node performs the actual customs document validation. It compares the extracted values across the invoice, packing list, and bill of lading. It checks whether key details match, including consignee name, shipper name, ports, HS codes, quantities, total packages, gross weight, and shipping marks. If everything matches, the shipment can move forward. If there are mismatches, the workflow captures the exact discrepancy. Step 5. Ready to file. 1. This if node checks the final compliance verdict. If the cross-check result says the documents are ready to file, the workflow moves to the approval report path. If issues are found, it moves to the correction report path. This is the decision point where the workflow separates clean shipments from risky ones. Step 6. Gmail needs correction. Report 1 if the documents fail the checks. This Gmail node sends a correction required report. The email highlights the shipment reference, the failed checks, and the document mismatches that need to be corrected before filing. This helps the team catch issues early, before the shipment is submitted and possibly rejected. Step 7. Gmail. Ready to file report 1 if the documents pass the checks. This Gmail node sends a ready to file report. The email confirms that the shipment documents are consistent and ready for customs filing. It includes the shipment reference, summary of checks, and the past validation result. This helps the operations or compliance team move forward without manually reviewing every field again. Step 8. Slack. Send workflow error alert. This Slack node sends an internal workflow error alert. It notifies the team that the customs verification workflow failed, so someone can review the issue quickly instead of letting the failure go unnoticed. That's the complete AI customs document verification workflow. It receives shipment document data through a webhook, maps the invoice, packing list, and bill of lading fields, uses GPT-4o mini to extract structured customs data, cross-checks the documents for mismatches, and sends either a ready-to-file report or a correction required report through Gmail. For logistics, freight forwarding, and import-export teams, this means fewer manual checks, faster document validation, and fewer customs filing errors before shipments are rejected. I'm Rahul Joshi. If this was useful, I drop one free workflow like this every week inside my school community. JSON file included, setup guide included, completely free. Over 130 people are already using these. Link in the description. Come join us. See you in the next one.